Hello and welcome to part one of a multi-part series on Campbell Scientific's water samplers for stormwater, wastewater, or other water quality applications. Our samplers use external vacuum pumps to draw water through intake tubing instead of the traditional peristaltic pumps that induce flow by squeezing flexible tubing. The advantages of the vacuum pump method include faster sampling rates, better vertical lifts, longer sampling distances, and less maintenance. Because the vacuum method disturbs water less, it better represents the original water solution, especially if the solution has high concentrations of suspended solids. I'm Colin Daly of Campbell Scientific in Logan, Utah. In this video, we'll show you how vacuum technology works in our water samplers. Let's start by drawing a sample. We'll do a quick manual sample. First, the line is purged to ensure a fresh sample. The water is being purged from the intake tube, the line coming out here. Now the water will fill the chamber until it touches the conductivity rod. As soon as that happens, it drops down to the level of the control rod. The excess water is then purged out the intake tube. The water is then released to the sample container. The intake tube is then purged once again, and we're ready for the next sample. The amount of water in the chamber is mechanically set, so you get a precise sample volume every single time. You can set the position of the control rod here by simply loosening or tightening this compression fitting. The purging cycle is user set for the time you need to ensure reliable, durable, and long-lasting sampling. The main advantage of the vacuum system is that no moving parts touch the liquid, ensuring a representative sample is taken each time. In a peristaltic pump, the tubing draws the liquid and can get contaminated and worn. It goes through a lot of wear and tear and becomes unreliable over time. In a vacuum system, the moving parts are in the pump itself, which is underneath. This is the meter chamber, and that can get dirty over time. Instead of needing to replace it, you simply clean it. It's easy to maintain. To take off, simply pull off the connectors and remove the two wing nuts. Pull off the top, and now you have access to the metering chamber. It's easy to remove, easy to clean, and easy to maintain. This will last a very long time without any replacement costs. The Campbell Scientific water sampler vacuum technology is the most reliable and consistent on the market today. Instead of wondering if your sampler has done its job, you can be assured that your Campbell Scientific sampler is functioning exactly as you want it to. It is taking the exact amount of water each and every sample. It is reliable, consistent, and durable. We've had customers tell us that for a decade they haven't had to replace any parts. That is not to say that this is the case for everybody, but these samplers are built to last. They're going to do the job for you without a lot of maintenance time or cost. Please contact a Campbell Scientific Water Resources engineer to discuss your application and for answers about your water sampling needs.